working. So let's try something else.
I can just do Dino MC.
Why don't we do Frino?
No, that-
Wait, we should do the new Plants vs Zombies mod pack that came out.
Oh, but Bendy,
Is it a
yeah, we have
reference?
Bendy and he shoots wrenches, right?
Yeah. Wait, what? No, I'm just kidding.
Wait, check out VC chat, guys. Check out VC chat.
Yeah, asking homeless.
Asking homeless.
Wait, I found the YouTube video too. Wait,
Why is it the same guy?
I found the YouTube video. Wait.
Yeah, it's the same guy.
Copy pasted himself in different poses.
Oh my god.
Hold on, wait. Let me send it. This is the video if you guys want to watch that later. Oh, dude.
We all want to.
Yeah, wait.
The word 3D animation novel.
Yeah, you want me to share my screen?
Or did I?
Yeah, shut up real quick.
I'm done.
Alright. I'm gonna load up the code and then send it.
See if it works first, though.
No, well. Okay, you probably.
Why, I can't hear you. I'm playing Geometry Dash.
It's okay.
Wait, my name is.
What?
I feel like
My name is.
That is the love.
I gave him fingers.
Wait.
I gotta do that again.
How many fingers does he have?
4. Oh wait, 5, because he's counting his thumb.
Wait, let me see this.
Don't look.
Is this the next Minecraft?
No. I'm trying my best.
You thought you were doing great. He's got
No.
one finger.
No, you got 4.
Dude,
He's got,
that's
he's
beautiful.
he's got one really long
It'd be
finger.
great.
At least Timmy appreciates.
He's so small. Only the one pop gun.
Yo, dude.
No, no, no.
Okay.
That's how small he is, sir.
You're really good at Blender.
Thanks. This is like my 18th time trying to actually learn it. No! Why are you cutting over there? Okay. And then, that's about the same length. And then,
Just eyeballing it.
yeah, I don't know how to do all the extra stuff.
Okay,
2
extra
plus
stuff.
2 equals 4. 2 times 4 equals 2.
What?
I don't know, man.
Really?
Yeah, dude, I looked that up on
I don't
Amazon.
know, man.
What? No, dude. No Amazons today.
It doesn't seem right.
What the fuck was that?
He's sad.
He's sad. He's really sad. Okay.
He's just a bear, bro.
Are we like trying to make a 3D game? What is this for?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Oh, I made another arm. Look at him. He's gonna be so happy.
How'd you make the arm?
With the block.
Oh.
Bro.
Bro, how did you make another arm?
Oh! 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 Oh my gosh!
Okay, stop. You're actually scaring me now.
There we go.
What happened?
He was
What
just,
could've
I don't know,
possibly
he was
happened?
like, he was being silly. Oh no!
You-
Oh! Oh my gosh!
Dude, no, I'm really scared. What's happening?
Okay, and then I gotta make his fingers on this hand. Ooh, no, never. Okay. I didn't do it right.
Wait, how are you doing that?
There we go. Okay, I made his body.
Okay, where's his head?
Over there.
I didn't get there yet.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, wait. I made his head.
What is that?
Uh,
Is that a monkey?
uh,
Monkey's How did you get that? What the hell? Where did you get that from?
You know what? I didn't like it anyway. You want to make fun of me, man? He's going back. He's going back where he came from.
Wait, how's it bouncing? I didn't know you added that.
Watch. Okay, so I'm gonna actually, I'll make a neck because I don't want him to be a chud. So, no.
Okay.
Do chung 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 sahur. Oh, that's okay. That's probably okay. Cause then I can just do this, and then I can.
Oh
bevel
shoot!
it. This probably okay.
Still looks like a chud, dude.
No, it's okay. He'll look like a Chad very soon. Just wait. Look, and then what you want to do is you want to go, "Ooh," and then you want to go, and then you want to go, "Ooh," and then.
Oh, I see.
And then that's gonna be like the base of his neck. It'll look good soon, I swear.
Okay, I believe you.
Maybe I think what I can do is I could do one of these. Uh-oh. Oh no!
Oh. Happened.
It just started scaring me. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Let me sculpt his face. So he's gonna have a nice big nose. There we go. Okay. And then he's gonna have, so we gotta like do the bridge of his eyes. Maybe I'll make him have like a really like girthy head.
Yeah. I guess if you have noticed for Christmas.
He's gonna have like a super deformed head. Okay. And then I gotta make like the hole for his eyes.
Oh my gosh, he's got a nose and a comb for a head.
Yeah, I'm giving him his eye holes
Yeah.
right now, and then I'm gonna give him his eyes. Well, no, he just has a really deformed head. You kind of missed that step, but I gave him like a really deformed head.
Why? Why did he do that?
Yeah, no, you just missed out on the best part.
Yeah, you missed out on the best part. Whatever. Oh, I can give him a hat. It does nothing. Never mind. How do I get rid of faces on something?
Look, man, I'm just really scared.
Probably in the get rid of faces tab. Dude, the thing looks horrifying.
No, you gotta trust the process, man.
Thank you, boy.
Okay, now I gotta give him some legs.
Yes.
Wait. I guess I'll finish sculpting this one. Really, but I have an idea. I have a beautiful idea. Okay, so I'll get 2 cubes, right? Watch. This is how,
Good chance.
actually I don't want this one yet. Never mind. I only want this one. Watch.
Oh boy. This is awesome.
Oh, you're giving him toes.
Yeah.
That's
That's
a baby.
really nice of you. Why the fuck are they so?
No. I don't want that toes.
I don't know. I think the toes was a good idea. This is a good call on my end.
No, what is it?
You can't just copy paste it.
No, look, if you
can't
copy
just hit
it,
per
look,
chance.
it like paste it, like I don't know what this means. Like what is this? Look what it did to my beautiful cube.
No, made it ugly.
Yeah, nothing else here is ugly. Nothing.
What is this? If he unbends his arms, he can walk with his arms, dude.
You're right. You're so right. Aw. That's okay though, cause he has 2 beautiful feet to walk on.
That means he's always gonna walk like that. You're torturing this guy, dude. He's gotta walk.
Yeah,
with
but
his
he's
arms
happy.
like
Look
that
how
all the
happy
time.
he is.
He's not happy.
Yeah, he
Sorry to
doesn't have a
say.
smile on that
I'll
face.
have to give him a smile. Here, this time I'll cut out the toes.
Wait, can you make his pinky toe extra big?
Okay.
I said pinky.
No, I know.
That is the
pinky.
No, that's not his pinky. That is not his pinky.
I'll make
I just
it
put it inwards.
because I didn't like that one.
Yeah, put it inward. What plane are we doing this on, guys?
What a plane. No, you go back in there, buddy. I didn't give you permission to come out.
like,
Oh, fuck.
put like a Lego block in there, dude. Like a Lego brick.
Yeah.
No. Dude, it looks like he like put his foot in like a shredder, dude.
That's his name, Shredder McGee.
He's got like a big heel, dude.
Yeah, he works out a lot. He never skips leg day. Oh.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Oh boy. He's okay. He's A-okay, man. Don't even worry about it. I'll put that. Yeah, maybe.
Zarius, are you downloaded the new mod?
No. Hold on.
Thought.
Zarius is sleeping.
Yeah.
We'll have to play a little later because we don't have time.
Big time.
Hey, time. I'm later.
Jesus
Oh.
Christ, dude.
What?
Please give him a number
Cheap.
12.
Jeez, bro.
Can you at least make it be able to stand so that if you send it to me, I can print them out?
There, now he can stand.
To the bottom of his foot is.
He's
What
a
is
normal
the-
boy. Beautiful. Look, he's in a park. Wait. Oh, yeah. I can texture him. How do I make one of
Yeah.
these? I think it's like new. What did I say his name was?
Shredder.
Shredder McGee.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, look. Now I can like.
No.
I can make him huge. Oh, his eye's not.
Why he huge?
Why is his eye like? Okay, that's fine.
He looks
He
like
looks
the,
like a little penguin.
he looks like the red face guy in Bad Parenting.
I know. Huh? Who that?
You say something?
You say something?
What'd you say to me? Yo, you are gonna say it to my face.
Hey, ugly. What'd you say? Oh no! He's upside down!
How to paint on model
Fuck.
Blender. Unwrapping the model, creating a new material with an image texture, then using the texture paint tool
Dude, what does that even mean?
to draw directly on the mesh.
Bar.
This is a good
Small.
amount of things, right?
Sorry, sir. I don't speak geek. Oh, that's tough, boy.
Empty. Oh wait, maybe
Search for it.
Search. There we go. It's because I was up here pressing Shift A. Oh, where are you going?
Okay, image texture and add it.
And then Anderdingus Sun. Okay, I added it. Now
Okay, click plus new on the node.
oh, we were doing it in the wrong tab. Hold on. Shift A, search, image texture, dead one, nope,
Dude, where's Timmy in another universe?
we have light.
Why can't you paint on that eye? that one eye.
Uh-oh.
That one eye you can't paint on.
That's
No, he's just a
probably
baby.
that's probably okay. Okay,
You suck at color.
how do you know what, whatever. I'm just gonna paint them all.
No.
He's so
I
happy.
just saw a YouTube short comment. That's like the most loser thing I've ever seen in my life, bro.
Do I even want to know?
Dude, it's YouTube Shorts. What do you expect?
Look at what I said.
Bro
Wait.
became from killed to chill.
What the fuck does that even mean?
Well, he became from kill to chill.
Bro, become from kill to chill.
He looks like Piggy.
Okay.
Doesn't he look like Piggy? Oh no, his eye. What happened?
He's really happy.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if he's happy anymore, dude.
You know that one like gumball scene where they do the makeup? He's got another eye down here. Don't mind
What
that.
is it? Wait, can you add an
You have
eyeball
an
in
eye
his
on
crotch?
there.
Alright, I'll give him a
Eyeball in
cool
his crotch.
shirt design.
Wait, give him the Among Us short.
Wait, give him a Sniplord shirt.
Wait,
Give
make
him an Among Us Sniplord shirt.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is so peak.
Oh my god.
I think we're playing Bendy, dude.
Oh my god, we're playing Bendy.
We really are.
If it just
Bendy,
make like that entire glass like a big eyeball instead.
We can-
Why is it blue?
Why blue?
huh? Where is it, Blue?
Forfeit.
That's so dope.
Wait, he's mastering it.
I think I'm
You're
learning.
so stupid. Oh, and then give the Among Us Sniplord the Among Us Sniplord shirt.
yo, just make it green. Is there no paint bucket tool? Is there no paint bucket tool?
tool? Just
I wonder what's on the shirt.
Hello, everybody. My name is Mark.
A place where I belong.
Dude, Markiplier's calling. King, do you remember that, bro?
Oh yeah, Markiplier. Markiplier.
Yeah.
No, you don't. I've been recording the whole time, so I'm probably just gonna upload this.
Oh,
Dude, make sure to bleep me out every time I talk.
I won't, because I don't feel like editing my videos, but okay.
no, put the other Among Us shirt. Another Among Us shirt.
He already has one.
No, he doesn't. I can't see it.
It's right here.
Oh, okay. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down.
What do you mean?
It looks so fucking evil.
He deserves life. No, King, you're evil. You're evil.
Oh, I also took a screenshot.
Dude, I haven't been looking at stream this whole time. What did I miss?
So yeah, that was me making a 3D model. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe. I'm gonna put some more 3D models that I made ever since the video up on screen. I don't know if I'll make more videos like this, but what I'll probably end up doing is uploading a few more videos. Normal videos. This is a rare one.